Welcome to JobsGivers, an independent career support platform. Note: this page is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or representing any government agency or any other private organization. All content on this page were researched and compiled by us for exam preparation purposes. Today we are going to be sharing with you nursing exam past questions and answer to enable you prepare for recruitment exams, internship exams, promotion exams, and other general nursing tests. Question 1. What is the primary responsibility of a nurse during patient admission? A. Collect and document patient information. B. Prescribe medication. C. Perform surgery. D. Discharge the patient. Correct answer A. Question 2. Which nursing action should be taken first when caring for a critically ill patient? A. Bathing the patient. B. Documentation. C. Patient education. D. Assessment of airway breathing and circulation. Correct answer D. Question 3. What is the main reason accurate documentation in nursing is important? A. Increase paperwork. B. Reduce patient contact. C. Serve as legal evidence and ensure continuity of care. D. Replace verbal communication. Correct answer C. Question 4. Which of the following is a core function of a professional nurse? A. Making medical diagnosis. B. Prescribing drugs. C. Performing laboratory tests. D. Planning and implementing nursing care. Correct answer D. Question 5. What must the nurse do first before administering any medication? A. Identify the patient correctly. B. Shake the medication bottle. C. Inform the ward orderly. D. Confirm the doctor's handwriting. Correct answer A. Question 6. What is the most appropriate nursing action when the patient reports severe pain? A. Advise the patient to rest. B. Assess the pain thoroughly. C. Ignore the complaint. D. Report directly to relative. Correct answer B. Question 7. Why is monitoring vital signs essential in nursing? A. Replace physical examination. B. Avoid laboratory tests. C. Reduce hospital costs. D. Detect early changes in patient condition. Correct answer D. Question 8. Which of the following is the nurse's role in infection prevention? A. Prescribing antibiotics. B. Practicing proper hand hygiene. C. Diagnosing infection. D. Performing surgery. Correct answer B. Question 9. What should the nurse do first when transferring the patient from bed to wheelchair? A. Remove all bed rails. B. Raise the bed height. C. Lock the wheelchair brakes. D. Ask patient to stand alone. Correct answer C. Question 10. Which nursing intervention help prevent pressure ulcer? A. Frequent repositioning of the patient. B. Applying heat to pressure area. C. Limiting fluid intake. D. Restricting patient movement. Correct answer A. Question 11. A nurse caring for a patient with sepsis noticed decreasing urine output. This finding most likely indicate what? A. Improved renal function. B. Fluid overload. C. Early renal hypoperfusion. D. Adequate tissue perfusion. Correct answer C. Question 12. Which action best reflects adherence to ethical nursing practice. A. Withholding information to prevent anxiety. B. Res- Respecting patient autonomy in decision making. C. Following orders regardless of consequences. D. Sharing information with family without consent. Correct answer B. Question 13. A nurse accidentally administer medication to the wrong patient. What is the first responsibility? A. Complete an accident report. B. Inform the nurse manager. C. Monitor the patient for adverse effects. D. Explain to the patient family. Correct answer C. Question 14. Which assessment finding in a post-operative patient require immediate nursing intervention? A. Mild incisional pain. B. Temperature of 37.5 degrees Celsius. C. Blood pressure of 120 over 80 mmHg. D. Sudden drop in oxygen saturation. Correct answer D. Question 15. The nurse remains responsible for which of the following when delegating a task to a nursing assistant? A. Only complex tasks. B. The assistant training. C. The outcome of the delegated task. D. Hospital policy compliance only. Correct answer C. Question 16. A nurse suspect abuse in a dependent adult patient. What is the most appropriate action? A. Confront the caregiver immediately. B. Ignore unless proof is clear. C. Document and report accordingly to policy. D. Discuss with other staff informally. Correct answer C. Question 17. Which practice best support patient-centered care? A. Standardizing care for all patients. B. Prioritizing institutional routines. C. Limiting patient involvement. D. Incorporating patient preference in case plan. Correct answer D. Question 18. During medication reconciliation, the nurse identify a drug interaction risk. What should be done first? A. Adjust the dose independently. B. Administer and observe. C. Clarify the order with the prescriber. D. Delay until next shift. Correct answer C. Question 19. Which finding most strongly suggests fluid volume deficit in an adult patient? A. Bounding pulse. B. Decreased skin turgor. C. Peripheral edema. D. Elevated blood pressure. Correct answer B. Question 20. A patient suddenly become unresponsive on the ward after confirming unresponsiveness. What is the next nursing action? A. Obtain vital signs. B. Call for help and activate emergency response. C. Document the event. D. Transfer to intensive care. Correct answer B. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question about this tutorial, you are free to ask your question. If you also need us to do a specific video tutorial for the exam you are preparing for, you can place your request because this tutorial is actually based on other people's requests. Please note that we have the complete version of this past question available in PDF at www.jobsgivers.com. The PDF version covers all aspects of the exam, including organization-specific questions, general papers, current affairs. They are all compiled separately for the organization, recruitment, internship, and promotion exams. Remember to share this post and follow our pages for more video tutorial. Our Facebook page is JobsGivers, YouTube page JobsGivers, TikTok page JobsGivers. Thank you. See you in our next video. Bye.